Welcome to the demo of TitanWeb. This short video will cover the basics of things you need to know in TitanWeb. The easiest way to log into TitanWeb is from any UWO web page. There is a black bar across the top, and all the way to the right is a drop-down menu for Titan Services. Hover over the Titan Services, then click TitanWeb. Before we log in, I want to point out a great resource in the bottom right. This Need More Help section has a link to the Registration Toolkit. The Registration Toolkit is designed to help with pre-registration, registration, and post-registration tasks. Within those sections, it contains all sorts of tutorials for the registration process, such as how to find your advisor, how to add classes, how to use College Scheduler, and much more. Now logging in, remember TitanWeb is your one-stop shop. This is where you will view your class schedule, make your payments, see final grades and transfer credits, and register for your next semester, plus much more. To get to your TitanWeb homepage, click on the Classic Home button. Your homepage has all sorts of information. Starting over on the right-hand side, this is where you'll see if you have any holds on your account and if there are any to-do list items you need to complete before you can enroll. All students must complete the financial agreement indicator each semester. You will see the hold on your account and complete this task in the to-do list. The next box is where you'll find your enrollment date and time, also known as your registration date. Not only are you assigned a date, but a time of day as well. This is when you'll be able to register for your spring semester. It is very important that you enroll on your date and time because this is when you will have the most available options for course selection. You will receive an email from the registrar's office when your spring enrollment date has been posted to TitanWeb. The last box to point out is your assigned advisor. We encourage you to connect with them prior to enrolling in your spring semester. Drawing your attention to the drop-down menu on the left-hand side, we want to point out the academic requirements. Academic requirements, or also called advisement report, is your degree audit, and it tracks your progress towards graduation. This is a tool that can be accessed at any time and help guide you from semester to semester by showing your remaining requirements. There's more information about how to access and read this in the advising playlist on campus. Above the drop-down menu is where you can access College Scheduler. This is the program you use to register for classes at Titan Takeoff. Now directing your attention to the Search for Classes button, clicking on this button will bring up a filter page that allows you to search for course offerings in available semesters. Before we dive into those filter options, we want to remind you of the University Studies Program, or USP. USP is our general education program at UWO. This is required for all students in all majors, and how you meet these requirements is up to you. If a course satisfies a USP requirement, it will have a course keyword in the title. For example, Psych 101, General Psychology, XS. The XS in the parentheses is the course keyword, and that identifies what USP requirement it fulfills. We can use these course keywords in the Search for Classes page to help identify course options for remaining USP requirements you may have. Back to the Search for Classes page. You can select different filters to find and narrow down courses. Starting at the top, you will select the term you are looking for. Then you can select the subject area, which allows you to search for classes offered by a specific department. You can also type in a course number if you are looking for a specific course in that department as well. For example, if you are currently enrolled in Com 111, Public Speaking, then you will need to take Writing 180 in the spring, unless you have already earned credit. You can search for Writing, then type 188 in the course box. The next section to point out is the course keyword. This is where you can type in the USP course keyword to find the courses that will help you fulfill your remaining USP requirements. Since you are currently sitting in your Quest 1 class, everyone needs to take a Quest 2 in the spring semester. There is a filter at the bottom of this page to find your options. From the drop-down menu next to Course Attribute, you can select Quest 2 topics. Once you have filled in the filter options, hit Search to find your results. The search results will show you all the Quest 2 options for the upcoming spring semester. As we mentioned before, in the course title, it will indicate the USP requirement it fulfills. As the first course reads, African American Studies 101 Q2, Exploring African American Studies, XCES. The Q2 means it is a Quest 2, the XC means that it will satisfy an Explore Culture requirement, and the ES means it will satisfy the Ethnic Studies requirement. Don't forget to enroll in your Quest 2 for spring semester.